Welcome to the Hilton Head Island Airport, which is currently in the middle of a $35 million terminal improvement project. We were able to get a behind-the-scenes look today about all the amazing amenities and infrastructure improvements that are headed our way.
Today was kind of a sneak peek tour we had Town of Hilton Head Council here, as well as senior staff, and then senior county staff as well, just to get a sneak peek of what the terminal is going to look like when it's all finished.
This is just an exciting opportunity. This is a project that we've been working on for years, and we're just happy to be able to deliver it for people to have access to the greater world out there. And we're hopeful that this is phase one that springboards us into phase two. Because we've got a really great phase one, and phase two just is the full implementation of the vision that was created at the beginning.
Well, this is phase one of a larger project, and this phase includes a brand new TSA screening checkpoint area, which everybody will be excited about, and then a whole new boarding gate area. And the biggest feature, I think, about the boarding gate area is it's going to have jet bridges, so people don't have to walk outside anymore, and they'll feel like they're at a big airport while they're at a small airport. So phase one and phase two really have to work together, but we found a way to kind of separate them for the time being. But phase two will include all new check-in areas for the airlines, so the ticketing counters will be all brand new and much more space for them. All the rental car counters will be redone and relocated. And we'll have a nice big baggage claim area with carousels. So instead of the old doors that the bags come through, there'll be nice carousels like you have at most airports.
First and foremost, it is the smallest airport in the country that has, commercial flights. And while it's a challenge, it's also very special because it makes it very unique into what we offer here on Hilton Head. Being a destination and having a beautiful facility like this just really helps drive people in. There's a lot of growth that's happening between here and Savannah, and we expect to see this airport increase with flights coming in and people coming in because of the drive time that's going to be created. So it's very important that we have this to bring people in from all over the country.
A big infrastructure takes big coordination. So we are always in coordination with FAA, with Town of Hilton Head, with all of our strategic partners, the chambers, a whole bunch of different stakeholders. And that's what it will take to continue to invest in this airport and our infrastructure throughout the county. So our goal is to be able for people to move freely, whether it's in the air or on our roads or whatever that may look like for our community. So this airport expansion is we're expanding our capacity within the terminal itself. And with that, hopefully to gain some efficiencies so people have the opportunity to use the airport more freely. So this is basically at the edge of the existing footprint, and we have a wall that's blocking off the new construction from the existing. So once this is complete, that wall will come down and it will be a fully integrated building.
It's interesting having grown up here. I remember as a kid, people would not believe there was an airport on Hilton Head. And that was back in the early 70s. And to have it now where it is and what's going on with the expansion is absolutely a testament to what Hilton Head is and how we do things with excellence.
Beaufort County is investing in our community. We're investing in our infrastructure, and we want to make sure that people have all modes of transportation available and to deliver the highest quality of life that we can in Beaufort County.
So we're excited. We found out kind of mid-summer that we might be selected to be in the running for 10 best resort airports. And then that was confirmed probably about 3 weeks ago. And so we are competing against the likes of Myrtle Beach and other resort airports like that. I think Key West might be in the running. So, we're trying to beat those bigger markets out. But we think we've got a really cool niche here, so we think we have a great shot at it.
So we're hoping that this is ready in spring of 2026, and then it'll be open to passengers, and then we'll see where we can get on phase two.
Well, they can always go to the county website because there's a link to the airport website, but also the airport's got its separate website, which is hiltonheadairport.com. So if everybody checks out that, there's also a nice tab in that page where you can check out this project and get up-to-date photos and follow along with the progress.
We want to thank the Hilton Head Island Airport staff, Beaufort County staff, Town of Hilton Head staff and their council, and everyone else for all of their amazing contributions to this project. We are so excited to see this come to fruition, and we can't wait to book our next flight.